A nation's birth, a debt imposed Haiti's fight for freedom and its price. In 1804, Haiti achieved a historic victory. They broke free from French colonial rule. This triumph came after a brutal struggle. Haiti became the first black republic. It was a beacon of hope for freedom. But France had other plans. They refused to recognize Haiti's independence. France demanded a hefty price for Haiti's freedom. In 1825, France threatened invasion. Under this pressure, Haiti agreed to pay 150 million gold francs. This was compensation for France's lost property. The property, of course, was human beings, the enslaved people Haiti had liberated. This demand was not just a financial burden, it was a cruel insult. France was forcing Haiti to pay for its own freedom. Haiti was left with an impossible choice: pay France and cripple their own nation, or refuse and face invasion. This was extortion on a grand scale, a debt built on the backs of enslaved people, a debt that would cast a shadow over Haiti for centuries to come. This was not just a debt of money, it was a debt of morality. France had profited immensely from slavery. Now they were demanding even more. This time they demanded it from the very people they had enslaved. This is the legacy of France's debt to Haiti, a legacy of injustice that continues to this day. The weight of injustice, the crushing burden of Haiti's forced payment. The 150 million gold francs France demanded was an astronomical sum. It was more than Haiti's entire annual revenue. To put this in perspective, it would be like France demanding billions from Haiti today. This debt crippled Haiti's economy. It forced Haiti to take out high-interest loans. These loans kept Haiti trapped in a cycle of debt. This financial burden had a devastating impact on Haiti's development. It starved Haiti of resources. These resources could have been used for education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Instead, Haiti was forced to send its wealth to France. This ensured that Haiti would struggle to rebuild after the revolution. Today, the original debt of 150 million francs is worth billions. Some estimates put it as high as $115 billion with interest. This is money that rightfully belongs to Haiti. Money that represents the sweat and blood of generations of Haitians. This debt is often referred to as Haitian blood money, and for good reason. It is a constant reminder of the human cost of French colonialism. It is a symbol of the injustice that continues to haunt Haiti. A legacy of debt, a call for reckoning, Haiti's demand and France's response. For 2 centuries, Haiti has demanded justice. Haitian officials and activists have called for France to repay the debt. They argue that it is a moral imperative, a way for France to finally acknowledge the harm it caused. They see it as a necessary step towards reconciliation. In recent years, these calls for repayment have grown louder. Haiti is facing immense challenges. Economic turmoil, political instability, and gang violence plague the nation. The need for resources is dire. Haitian officials argue that France's debt could be transformative. It could help rebuild the nation and provide vital services to its people. However, France's response has been inadequate. While some French officials acknowledge the injustice, they have stopped short of committing to full repayment. Instead, they offer piecemeal solutions. They propose joint commissions to study the issue. They pledge small amounts of aid. These gestures ring hollow in the face of Haiti's legitimate demands. This lack of action only deepens the wound. It shows a lack of respect for Haiti's history and its people. It reinforces the power imbalance that has defined the relationship between the two nations for far too long. A moral imperative: why France must repay its debt to Haiti. France's debt to Haiti is not just a matter of historical record, it is a present-day injustice that demands redress. The moral case for repayment is clear. France cannot erase its past, but it can choose to right a historical wrong. By repaying the debt, France can acknowledge the suffering it caused. It can take a step towards healing the wounds of the past. Furthermore, repaying the debt would be a powerful symbol of solidarity. It would demonstrate that France is serious about confronting its colonial legacy. It would send a message to the world that powerful nations cannot exploit and abuse others with impunity. The potential benefits for Haiti are immense. The repayment of billions of dollars could transform the nation. It could fund education, healthcare, and infrastructure projects. It could help lift millions out of poverty. It could give Haiti a fighting chance to build a brighter future. France has a moral obligation to act, and that is financial terrorism of its colonial past. The time for words is over. The time for action is now. France must repay its debt to Haiti and stop hiding behind its shameful history. It's the right thing to do. Stand, do the right thing. Repay the money to the Haitian people.